Alright, so this is gonna be a tutorial modeling on the Game Boy Advanced. So go to let's first make the image planes. So create. I'm gonna tear this off, and free image plane. Right, same deal. And nope, grab that. Attribute editor, folder, always remember the folder, always remember the attribute editor, because it's the attributes of your item that you're selecting, its attributes, and to plug in the image. That's what helped me to understand all these other panels. And I'm gonna put in, so I found all these multiple image references. So I'm gonna put in this one, right? I know that my student made the sketches, the orthos sketches, and actually this student was actually the first one to email me this afternoon, so I'm going to choose this, but at the same time I found a really good orthographic of the front, so I'm gonna go with this. No offense to my student, and yeah, I was looking for image references, but I found this also as well. So, but I will still give credit to my student for doing all the sketches. You know what I mean? But no offense. Okay, so reason why too is because I could see this silhouette of here and here, here and here, and that's really important. I'm gonna name this. What should I name this? Front ortho. I'm gonna grab it, tuck it back. Remember, front, always know where you are. I'm gonna push it back, like way far, like that. Something like that is good. Always have these on, right? Your poly count. It's on the PDF documentation as well. Anyway, in here, make another free image plane. Folder. I'm gonna put this one in. Boom. And this one I'm gonna put it behind. Put it up. Like that. Something like that is good. Well, maybe it's too far back. It's like a billboard basically. So I can zoom in, take a look, see? Like that. That's the whole purpose of it. Alright, so that's good. And then another ortho. Wait, let me name this. I'm gonna name it combo set 1. As a matter of fact, I'll put this in your sync sketch folder as well to help out. Alright, next. Another free image plane. Folder icon. Combo set 2. Open. Bam. Oh, kind of like this. I have it on transparency. Huh. Anyhow, I'm going to press E as in Edward. I'm going to hold J as in Jacob. I repeat, hold J as in Jacob and snap, 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 snap. Like that. Channel box, just make sure. Okay, See this over here? This is not what I'm looking for. Is it just click outside, click it back on, and now I can see it better. 90 degrees. Push it back, further back. The reason why is when I rotate around the model, I don't want to see this blocking my line of sight. Scale big, like that. Scale from the center. Grab these and kind of like pull it back a bit. Grab this one, pull it up. Reason why I have it pulled up is that I don't want it to block my line of sight here, because I'll be building like this. Alright. Put a little more up so I can model like that. Alright, I think that's about it. And I also have this here, right? This is dimensions.com, right? Dimensions.com, and yeah, I think this will help a lot. See, looks pretty accurate, right? I mean, it's all right. This part, yeah, here too is okay. Anyway, so yeah, the parts I have to be worried about are these, right? Try some of that. Ooh. Yeah. Okay. All right. So that's what, 7 minutes. Okay, I'll pause the video for a bit. And the other thing I want to do too is, so I made another one. Okay. You know, which is basically here. Go in here, click that, and I'm gonna open another one of these, and I'm gonna press E as in Edward, press J as in Jacob, hold it down, hold J down as I rotate carefully. All right. Press W to get out of the rotation. Click that. Click outside. Click again. Just want to check that it's like 90 degrees. You know, whether it be minus 90 or positive 90. In this case, it's minus 90. I'm going to pull this down like that. Alright, so way down like that. This one I need to push back a bit more. I don't want 8. See, even this too is annoying. Like that, so. Okay, so in here, close that. I'm gonna name this Control Shift S, Game Boy Advanced WIP, right? WIP, just WIP. Hit Enter. Okay, space bar into my top view, right? See, that's the reason why I made that. See down here, that was the second one I made. As a matter of fact, let me name this top down. Okay, and which one is this one? Press F. Okay, that's for this one. I didn't get to name it. I'll name it combo set 2. Right, so I got my front and I got my top down, same image. The width of it, side view, and I'm gonna hold off for now. Okay, so from here, space bar. I'm going to turn off my grid. This is my grid. Wait, I need to grab this guy right here. top down, and I want to put him on a layer. So I have it selected, and this guy right here, I need to click it, create a new layer, and assign selected objects. Click it, now it's on there. I'm going to double click this, underscore top down. The edit layer panel, it does not like having spaces, so you have to put underscore and save. And I'm going to just set to reference. So click, keep on clicking until you see R. Usually just click it twice, R for reference, so you can't touch it. Okay, so I'm going to start off by making a polygon plane right there. Polygon plane, right? It's just a plain old, press F to frame it, plain old card, right? I pressed F just to frame into it, right? I made a card, but it has too many lines, right? So I'm going to reduce it. I'm going to grab here, polyplane 1, and the subdivision width and height just set to 2. Yeah, 2 is okay for now. Maybe I'll set the width to what, 4? No, I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm not gonna mess with it. Okay, so just 2 and 2, right? Spacebar. I'm gonna press 4 for wireframe. Press R. Wait, first, sorry. I'm going to delete this half. I'm gonna just drag. Make sure you're on faces, right? Drag. Select that right here. I'm in the top view, top Y. Press delete. Remember, I was in face mode and I deleted these faces. I'm gonna select it, right? Have it selected. Create, edit, duplicate special, option box. Set to instance. I'm gonna scale it on the -X, but I have to be careful because right now I have a -1 on the Y. Delete it. So now it's just 1 regular, and this one -1. It's basically X column, Y column, Z column. Okay, and I want to duplicate it on the -X. Hit apply, close. Right. And just in case if I did not mention, make sure it's instanced. Okay. I'm gonna name this right. Name this left. The Alt 5, wireframe unshaded. When I move things around, I cannot move like this. You know, it has to be in component mode. So right click, we're gonna choose vertex. I choose vertex because I can just do that. It's easier selection basically. So I'm just gonna stretch it out like that. Right, I'm in my top Y. I'm gonna grab this. I'm gonna stretch it down like that. Whereas if you grab like by the edges, I hold right click and edge, right? If I just try to drag like that, I end up grabbing a whole bunch of stuff, you know, which isn't good. That's why I chose vertices. Vertices, you can isolate specific areas you want to push and pull. That's the reason why I'm pushing and pulling in vertices right now. Grab like that. I'm going to yank on it. Something like here, right? And then I'm going to go right click edge mode. Holding right click, I choose edge. Click out here. Grab that one. Hold shift and click that one. I'm going to go Shift right click, extrude edge. This will pop up. I'm going to press on the little dial. I'm just going to pull like so, like around here. Click outside to get out of the tool. Right click, choose vertex mode, press 4 for wireframe, select that, press W, and I'm just gonna pull and pull and pull. I'm just blocking it in. Maybe this is too bright, you can barely see my blue line, right? So I'm gonna go right click, object mode, click out of there. I'm gonna select my top down, see how important our naming is. So I have it selected. I'm going to my attribute editor for my top down, which is this. I'm going to reduce my color gain. So yeah, this helps a lot right there. Down to here, color gain. It's just the brightness of it. So now you can see what's happening better. Go back to channel box. Alright, so here I'm gonna right click, choose vertex, and I'm hovering over the item, my polygon plane, and go like that. Because if I do it here, oh, I guess it works too. Vertex, select that. I'm gonna kind of pull something like, I don't know, something like that. Just block it in, grab that. We'll leave that alone. I need a straight line. Okay, so that's that part. It's not much, you know, but it's literally just blocking in. The front one I may need to, this is the wrong one for front. The top is correct because I'm looking top down, but the front I need to have more of a side view, like flat. I'll take that out later. But for now, this is what we have. So that's what, 17 minutes. I'm gonna just stop it here and come back into it afterwards. Alright, bye.